Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting review of the GoPro MAX 2, the ultimate 8K 360 action camera that's designed to take your adventure filming to the next level. We found this product online and have included the link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's talk about what makes the GoPro MAX 2 stand out. First and foremost, it boasts 8K 360 capture capabilities that deliver superior detail. With dual sensors, you can capture every angle in stunning 8K resolution, providing you with crisp and immersive footage. This makes it perfect for creators who are looking for professional-grade 360 videos and VR-ready content without the need for bulky equipment. The GoPro MAX 2 is built for the adventurous soul. Its rugged, waterproof design allows it to withstand extreme conditions, being waterproof up to 5 meters or 16 feet. Plus, it features replaceable twist-lock lenses made from durable optical glass. So, if you happen to scratch a lens during your travels, you can swap it out easily in just seconds, ensuring that your filming doesn't miss a beat. When it comes to video and audio quality, the MAX 2 truly excels. It offers advanced features such as 10-bit color, GP-log encoding, and bitrates of up to 300 megabits per second for cinematic level control. The 6-mic array captures 360 spatial audio with wind noise suppression, making it ideal for those who want to create high-quality soundscapes along with their visuals. Additionally, it supports Bluetooth mic compatibility, giving creators flexible sound options depending on their needs. What about battery life? The GoPro MAX 2 is equipped with a powerful 1960 mAh Enduro battery that allows for up to 66 minutes of 8K recording. It also features seamless connectivity options. You can transfer files quickly with Wi-Fi 6 or use USB-C for direct editing. Plus, the GoPro Quick app allows you to sync, control, and share your footage instantly, making mobile workflows and remote operation a breeze. So, who is the GoPro MAX 2 suitable for? It's perfect for travelers, vloggers, and outdoor enthusiasts who demand high-quality video and audio in a compact and durable package. Whether you're hiking, diving, or simply exploring new cities, this camera can capture your experiences from every angle. It's also a great choice for content creators who want to produce engaging and immersive videos that stand out from the crowd. In practical use, imagine capturing breathtaking 360-degree views as you zipline through a rainforest, or recording your scuba diving adventures in crystal-clear 8K. The possibilities are endless, and the GoPro MAX 2 is ready to rise to any occasion. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget